Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow grass on a dog urine spot. Now we love our animals and we let them run wild in our gardens and on our lawn, but unfortunately when they use your lawn as a bathroom, the result is you get a big yellow spot. So how do you deal with it, and can you deal with it? Is there any hope? Well, the answer is very much yes, and it's very easy. Okay, the first thing that I would do if I found that my grass was yellowing because it was a dog urine spot is take the hose and flush it. Just wash it and wash it and wash it. And that way you're flushing a lot of it away. And it might eventually kill a lot of the grass around it, but you need to get rid of it. So by washing it, you're going to let it disperse a little bit. And then every spring and every fall, make sure and go through your garden. And if it doesn't work so much if you try to do it in the middle of summer or the middle of winter, you can't really start new grass. But if it's the spring or the fall, go for it. So whenever you find some yellow spots, flush it. And then the next spring or the next fall, put some compost over it. And then over that, put some grass seed and then rake it in a bit. And you will find that it'll fill in and you'll have a lush yard. So even if you have pets that are making spots in your garden, every spring and every fall, put some compost down where the grass doesn't look good. Grass seed everything. Grass seed every area of it and water it really well. And you will find that you can have pets and a beautiful yard at the same time.